So we can see that our machine has come back, and what we're doing next will be installing. Now you can see that we have our domain set up with the name that we gave it, and now we have to use the password that we created to access our domain controller. And our next step on this will be setting up a certificate authority, which actually helps Active Directory with a crucial component of Active Directory certificate service. It is responsible for issuing and managing digital certificates, which are used to secure communication and authenticate identities within the network. So some key functions: issuing certificates, managing certificate life cycles, enforcing security policies, providing certificate revocation list. And we'll use a quick example. So a company wants to secure internal emails, communications, and use email encryption and authentication. Very useful. Certificates issuance issues the digital certificate to all the employees. These certificates are installed on their email clients, their email encryption. When employees send email, the mail client uses the recipient public key from their certificate to encrypt the mail. Only the recipient who has corresponding private key can decrypt and read the mail. So digital signatures also can be used, their certificate to digitally sign emails and ensure that recipients that the email has not been tampered with. Revocation management: if an employee leaves the company, their certificate is compromised, the CA can revoke the certificate. So there's great benefits to this, and we can just start going ahead and setting this up quickly. Um, so we can just jump right into it. All right, so let's see, try managing server Windows Admin Center. So Windows Admin Center bring together familiar features, the browser app. It will run a server on a PC. There is no additional cost beyond your Windows. Okay, so we'll go ahead and skip that and see where we land. And let's start going through the configurations. So we can tell that we have our AD and the DNS is set up. So now we're heading towards more roles. So manage role, add roles, remove roles, and installation time begin before next desktop server installation base. We'll find a role on this domain controller, and let's just find the certificate authority, Active Directory management. Um, I'm pretty sure it's right here. Um, Looking for it. All right, looking for that certificate authority. See, oh, right here, right here, right here. Active Directory certificate services app feature. And then from here, all we gotta do is hit next. Pretty self-explanatory. And we'll check the box. Restart is required, and then install. Yep, so we're installing the certificate authority for this one. And yeah, we'll see, as we can see, we see the development of this network management installation of domain controller, which will be hosting and honing many machines. All right, so we'll definitely wait for this. Do not show this again. To restart because it's supposed to be restarting. Um, okay, we got some more services down here. Local server that has not been set up. We got the file storage. Right, so right here we are again. And this warning right here means we need to complete some things, configure Active Directory certificate service on the destination server. And yep. And then let's go again. We'll say certificate authority. If we need to click on any certification authority, then next, CA Enterprise. Hold on, let me just make sure I have the right settings going. So for now, we just need to keep going at this the same way. We'll say 90 for expiration days, 90 days, so that a valid period of certificate generated for this certification authority. We could definitely change that. We say 90 weeks. Uh, and then configure, close. What's going on here? Feature installation, post deployment configuration, task detail. All right, so quickly, right now we just need to restart the server. So our configurations take place and all the unplanned continue. And when we get back, it'll be totally configured. All right, so we're back. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna log right back in and figure out how we could um, go ahead and set up file shares and service accounts. Let's see. Yeah, certification application 726. There was an error. Um, warning, AD, DNS. And then we got file storages. Let's see what we get. All right, so let's come here and see um, where we at right now. So Active Directories, users and computers. And we can see that our domain has already, these are the built-in accounts, things that we have. Then we have no computers, domain controllers, we have one, for our principal managed service account. We probably have users like the admin account. Um, that's our setting for right now. And let's keep moving forward with this so we can have a file share and a service account. All right, so right here we're gonna organize this group because right now our only user is the administrator, and we're gonna break this into a couple of groups. So these right here, there are service accounts, security accounts, and these guest service, it's in, and these users, actually the guest service, it's down, so it's not active. And over here we got our organizational units. So let's see if we can add up another one. Say new computer contact group organizational unit, and let's give it a name. Let's think. All right, so we're just gonna say groups for this organizational units to start getting a little organized. And over here, anything that's not administrator, we're gonna just dump into this group. Hold on. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. And we'll do copy it down. Oh no, I just self did it. Let's try doing that again. And one. Yes. And then keep moving. All right. We'll keep moving this. And groups. Yes. All right, so we left with two users, I guess, for the guest account and the administrator. And let's keep moving.